In this video, I want to demonstrate how to use the simple hole feature in sheet metal. So first thing is select this face. This is what face I would like the hole through. Then I'm going to come up here to simple hole. Over here, the hole properties window will open. It has the depth. I'm going to turn on the link to thickness. So it'll make sure it goes through whatever thickness sheet metal I have here. And then next I have to set the diameter of the hole. So I'm going to make the diameter of this hole 0.325. Next, I will position the hole. So I'll say OK. So when I say OK, I see I have my hole cut through here, but if I expand it, the sketch is under defined. So what I need to do is edit this sketch. So I'll just click on it, edit the sketch, use mouse gestures to activate dimensioning, and I'm going to dimension this hole 1 inch over from the corner. Zoom in a bit here to make it easier. I want to work from the outside edge to my hole. Again, I'll make it 1 inch. My sketch is now fully defined. I'll right click, exit the sketch, and I've used a simple hole.